think I've just found the perfect tech backpack with a premium edge. There's one big problem, and that's the price. This is very much a premium product. Let's have an argument? I don't know. Let's take a look. Hi everyone, welcome back to Better Creating. This has got to be my favorite bag of all time. And that's saying something. This is the 179 Seeker backpack from Grams 28, designed in collaboration with architect and creator John Imperial. You've got someone who understands what someone who is being a creator and using cameras really needs, and it's got that beautiful combination of form and function that an architect should understand. This thing is built for your intentional tech carry. I will say this is not sponsored, but they did send this over. Grams 28 make kind of premium but affordable and really practical, functional bags. What's really cool though is they focus on that lovely blend between premium design and functionality. So let's dive into it. Okay. Ooh. It's a lot bigger than my usual backpack. I own their 151, which is a fantastic choice, but I wanted something that would work for camera gear and kind of longer, bigger travel days. Something that I can use in lots of ways as a creator, as well as just for my daily bag. And this thing looks beautiful. Now, for comparison, I've owned their Stealth 151 backpack, which also takes a 16-inch laptop. I've had this for a good few years now, and it's in really great condition. I barely notice a difference. Okay, it's maybe lost a little bit of its shape, a little bit more of a shine on it, but it's been really brilliant. It's been by far my favorite backpack. The one thing I find about this though, is it's quite hard to get into the bottom part of it because it only opens up to like this edge. And so this is really exciting. And actually I was quite surprised for the amount of storage you get in this. It only feels slightly larger. There's not a massive difference, so I'm quite happy with that. Or if you want to go much smaller, this is the 171 sling bag. It's just a simple sling. There's a nice grip on it here, and this will take a 14-inch laptop. It's actually amazing what goes in this for how small it is. This is really well made. Okay, so we've got a little pocket on the front. I absolutely love that clip. Oh, that is beautifully done. Oh, it's really chunky, really thoughtful design. And you can tell that an architect has been involved with this because there's just something structural about it. It doesn't change shape when there's nothing in it. I think they've sent me a couple of other things. Nice, we've got a little pouch that looks like it clips onto the front strap for some items you'd sit in there. Cool, so if I was out filming, I could imagine myself putting some filters in there, memory cards, just so I can easily get to them. That's a really nice touch. And inside, this is what I'm really excited about. This is their camera cube, I believe. So this is an internal pouch that clips inside, I think, and fits strategically inside, and it will take your cameras. Oh, nice, it's kind of like Velcro as well. That's really cool. Really nice dividers in there. You could adjust this so you could sit different lenses and cameras inside. That's fantastic. Actually, that's really cool. I would use that with whatever bag I have. And then that leads us to this, which is always great to see, a clip that means that you can attach your bag to a roll-on. Love it. Now, probably the coolest thing about this is that you can open it up pretty fully by opening the sides. And I think the idea of this, it's really clever actually, is that when you're maybe filming, you could open this bag side on. So I can actually take the camera insert out of it that easily. Really clever. This is beautifully designed. Easiest version of this. I hate it when these have to be on the backpack. And look how easy it is to keep it or take it off. That's it. So clever, so easy to use. These are so useful when you want them and really annoying when you don't. This is the best version of that I've seen. So well done, John Imperial and the Grams 28 team. John, you've done a brilliant job. I need to go test it out and report back in like a moment. And while we're at it, I'll show you what's in my tech bag. I'm really enjoying how easy this thing is to pack. There are so many little pockets. In fact, it's hard to keep track. I'm dropping my filters from K&F Concept into that front pocket really easily. And this is a little wallet, also from Grams 28. Love that little secret pocket on the back. This is fitting my 14-inch laptop, super easy with an iPad. This is the 170 Charge Fast Charge Power Bank. Really love that thing. I'll feature that soon on the channel. And my Even Realities G2 glasses, got to go in there, along with another smaller Charge Aero Mag 10,000. Onto the camera cube. It's really adjustable. I can fit probably 3 lenses in, all custom with the protectors, so you can really make sure things don't move around. I'm dropping my Hollyland Lark M2 mics, my go-to simple mics to fit in, and this is my Fuji X-H2S with the 16-55 2.8 lens. All of that squishes in. Now, this isn't the way you'd normally put the camera cube in, but I thought I'd show you it's possible to get a camera cube and a medium-sized tripod all inside the bag. But if you want to, you can put that tripod on the outside as well. It's super easy to sit on a roll-on and sits quite well. Don't know if you'd fit it on a plane, but taking it to Whitstable and taking a walk around, it was a very nice bag to carry, and I was surprised how light it actually felt, given what I was carrying inside it. But one big question remains. Is this worth the price? And what are your alternatives? Would I recommend either of these backpacks? Well, yes, but there's a bigger conversation going on here, because what I haven't told you is that this backpack is almost $1,000. This is £950. This backpack here, I think it goes around $800. Now, for a lot of you, you're gonna go, oh my God, this creator is completely out of touch. Yes, I got sent this for free, and so it kind of removes that barrier. This is a huge amount of money for a backpack. So let's have a conversation about designer goods. There is a massive problem with cost and price, I think, in designer bags. People are buying, I don't know, Birkins for like $20,000. That is insane. But what we do have here is something quite interesting. I think we're getting the same level of design, materials, build quality, and longevity in these bags that you would get from those unbelievably expensive bags for one that is just very expensive. I suppose value depends on how you look at things. Personally, I would rather invest on a really good year, if I could afford it, on something that might last a lifetime. And I think these bags, from what I've experienced, will last you a very long time. I remember when I was a student, I was buying backpacks for 60, 50 pounds, and they'd last me for half a term, and I'd rip the arm off them. So you do get what you pay for. The question is, would you pay that for this? But I do think this is form and functionality and accessible premium luxury from a really cool brand. So I'm on board, but then I got sent it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and if you want to go deeper with building out your perfect intentional tech ecosystem, you need to go and watch this video next on the Apple products I really think we should be paying attention to right now.